Yeah, guys, good morning. Yesterday, naming convention we discussed, right? Yeah, good morning. Today we discuss about Java software, guys. Yeah. What are the versions are there in Java software? One minute, guys. Yeah. Okay. The first version when it is released, first version released, right? JDK 1.0, guys. That version released in invented in 1995, guys. 18 months time has taken. Already we discussed. This is the first version released in 1996. We don't want that release year and all. But what are the other versions? JDK 1.0, JDK 1.1 is also called Java 1, Java 1, JDK 1.2, Java 2 we call it is Java 2, JDK 1.3, JDK 1.4, JDK 1.5. What is the specialty? They are introducing new features. That's all, guys. JDK 1.6, JDK 1.7. Presently, we are using this. Yeah, we can download 8 also. Okay, JDK 1.8 is there, 1.9 also. New latest one is a 1.9. Okay, this is a version, guys, right? 1.1 Java software, Java 1, Java 2, Java 3 we call Java 8, Java 7. Okay, Java 6 we call them as, simply we call them as Java 6. Okay, they did not give names for till here. They have given Java 1, Java 2. This is all versions are related in Java 2 versions only, guys. Okay, yeah, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, right? How to install? Is there installation? I will show you installed or not. Java, yeah, it is there, guys. Java 7. I installed Java 7. What is there? JDK 1.7 JRE. Two folders we get when you install. Two folders we get. One is JDK, one is JRE. What is JDK? What is JRE? I will tell you now. Okay, na? We get two folders, guys. What are those two folders? JDK, JRE. Now, what is there in JDK? What is there in JRE? This is JDK, guys. Here you can see the bin folder, DB folder include JRE also is there here. Again, lib folder. When I click on bin, okay, here you can see it is the Java C is there. The Java C is there. What is Java C? Okay, Java C is a compiler, guys. Java C is a compiler. Okay, here Java is there, right? This is application, that is JVM. It's a virtual, right? Virtual Java virtual machine. Yeah, see this, guys. How to run Java program? What is required? I will tell you. Right? See this. These are the versions. We are using what? JDK 1.7. How to run Java program? Yeah, guys. How to run Java program? Listen carefully. Normally, if it is a C program, this is C program, guys. C compiler. What happens? If I write a.c, finally what we get, guys? A.exe. In middle we get a.obj. What is obj? That is also binary code, guys. That is also obj as the binary code. Okay, it contains binary code only except header files code. Okay, na? What is compiler? Compiler converted to binary code only. Directly converted to binary code, exe file or binary code. Okay, then we give to the OS. Then OS can understand. This a.c is a high level language. C compiler, it converts to binary code. This is C compiler, guys. This is a high level language. Yeah, it is converted to low level language. Okay, C compiler directly it is converted to binary code of particular OS. For example, it is Windows OS. It's a Windows OS. It's a Windows OS. It converted to binary code for particular Windows. Windows, one operating system can understand one kind of binary code. Okay, Linux operating system can understand one kind of binary code. Right? different OSs are there. What are the different OSs? Mac, Solaris, Windows, Linux. Okay, here we use C compiler. That is a platform dependent compiler only, right? C compiler converts to binary code of particular OS. Okay, this code we call it the native code of OS. What we call, guys, native code. Particular native code of OS. What is mean by native code? Means that can understand by only Windows. Native code of OS. Okay, that code can understand by Windows only. Is it clear? Clear, guys? This is a C program execution. When it comes to Java, see this. This is Java code, guys. High level language. Okay. Dot Java. A dot Java. For example, A dot Java. This file name is A dot Java. Yeah. What is Java compiler? It converts that code to A dot class file. Now, what is this class file? Contains byte code, not binary code, guys. It contains byte code. What is A dot Java contains? High level code or source code. We call it a source code. What is mean by source code? H language, right? High level code. Okay. We will convert to byte code. Java compiler. What is the name of Java compiler name? Java compiler name is Java C. Java C is the Java compiler name. Yeah, what is Java compiler? Converts to bytecode. Yeah, now JVM is platform dependent, guys. Java C is common for all platforms. Java compiler is same, but the JVM is there. It is a platform independent. Sorry, platform dependent. For Windows, for one JVM will be there, Java Virtual Machine. For Linux, for one JVM. For Mac, for one JVM. For Solaris, for one JVM. Different JVMs will be there. It converts to different native code of that OS. Yeah, this is Windows JVM. It converts Windows binary code. Windows native code, for your understandable word. Okay, this is a Linux OS. It's a Linux binary code converted. Linux binary code. Mac JVM, it converts binary code of Mac. Mac OS. Okay, Solaris, it converts binary code for Solaris. Linux JVM, Mac JVM will be there. Solaris JVM will be there. It converts Solaris of binary code. Okay, draw these two diagrams. Complete this diagram also. Java, execution of Java. Java compiler involves and JVM. Mainly we require Java compiler and JVM is required. Completed diagram, guys. Completed. Completed, right? In Java software, what will be there? Okay, in Java folder, two folders we get JDK, JRE. What is JDK, guys? Java Development Kit. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. JDK and JRE. Okay, Java Development Kit, Java Runtime Environment. Okay, in JDK contains what? Java compiler plus JRE. In JDK again it contains Java compiler, compile time environment, and both runtime environment it contains. What is JRE? Only runtime environment. What it contains? JVM, Java Virtual Machine it contains. Okay, it contains what? Java compiler and JRE. JDK contains main components. JRE contains only JVM. If you have JDK, can you compile and execute? Yes, possible. If you have only JRE, execution is possible. Compilation is not possible. With JRE runtime environment, we can execute the programs. With JDK, we can do both. Are you following, guys? This is the main difference, JDK and JRE. Clear now? What is JDK and what is JRE? Okay, na? Yeah. Before going to run the program, You clear, right? It is Java contains Java development kit. This is for compilation. This is for execution, right? Yeah. What is Java C? Java C. What is Java C, guys? It converts the code into byte code. Yeah. What is JVM? Tell me, guys. What is JVM? It converts byte code to. It converts the code byte code to binary code. Yeah. What is JRE? JRE means Java Runtime Environment. Yeah, what is JRE, guys? JRE means JVM plus API. What is API? Application Programming Interface. First write this, I will explain about API. Yeah, what is API? Application Programming Interface. API means Application Programming Interface. Yeah, that is a full form collection of packages. Yeah, what are the packages are there? We discuss. Yeah, we have mainly Java folder, Java package. Java in API mainly three packages are there. In API mainly three packages are there. They are Java, JavaX, org. Okay, in Java, how many subfolders are there? Sub package. Main folders are this, guys. Import. If you want this package as import java.javax.org. Right? Wait a minute. Don't write. I'll give the time. Mainly three packages are there, guys: Java, JavaX, org. Okay, see once. See this: Java, JavaX, mainly three folders. Java, again subfolders are there. JavaX, again subfolders. Org, again subfolder. They are sub packages. For example, this is if you want to import that. See this: what you have to write? Import org dot omg dot, yeah, this is omg, no? Inside, if you want anything, you can write org dot omg dot. Mainly in core Java we use this package, right? Which package? Java. We write only those packages. Yeah, write these packages, guys, in core Java: applet, awt, beans, applet, awt, beans. What are the packages? IO, lang, math. IO. Only we use some packages, guys. IO, lang, math, net, neo, rmi. Net, neo, rmi. Security, SQL, text, util. Security, SQL, text, util. Util, text. What is the other package? SQL. These are the packages are there. Only in core Java we use java dot applet dot star, java dot aw dot star, java dot beans dot star, java dot. But we use only some packages, not all packages. In Java X also we have, but only we write some packages only. Swing, right? Swing sex or Java X. RMI is there again. XML, swing package, SQL, RMI is there. Print, net. These all are packages. Only some packages are required. Enough, right? SQL, net packages, networking, guys. Okay, in org, W3C something is there. In org, W3C and OMG. That is enough. XML. I'm not writing this all. Okay. Yeah, write API, guys. Application programming interface. only guys, core Java. See for example, what are those 5 packages I will write here? Import java.lang.star, import java.io.star. We use import java.awt.star, import java.util.star, applet.star. Only 5 packages. Mostly we use 5 packages in core Java. Applet.star. Okay. Write these 5 packages. Completed, huh? Only these 5 packages we use, guys. Completed, huh? Next one, guys. Before writing program, what to do? Listen carefully. After installing, guys, we have to set the path. Directly, we can't write a program. See, one program I will write you right now, and I will show you. Okay, first program, guys. How to print welcome message, right? Yeah, if you want to print welcome message, guys, how to print? System.out.println welcome to Java program or Java world. Okay, na? Welcome to Java. Okay, if you want to write, it should be in the main function, right? Now how to write? Main function, is it correct? No? No. Yeah, how to write? Main function. Public static void main string arguments. Next, it is a purely object oriented. What is purely object oriented? Without class, we can't write a program. It should be in the class. Simple, that's all. Everything I have written. This is which package has to write? Import java.lang.start. Because system is a class, while writing this package, you have to write this. This is a default package, guys. Lang is default package. Default package. No need to write. This is a default package, no need to write. Okay, na? Yeah, after writing the program, what to do, guys? Save as. In your folder only I will create. New one. The class teaching. CMR 2022. Here I will save. prg1.java. Okay, na? Save that folder. Yeah, go to that directory, guys. Where did you save your program? This is D drive, no? New one folder, new one. Class teaching. CMR22. This is a program. Java file it is. Now only created. Take this path. Go to D drive. Copy the directory. CD path. Okay, na? This is the directory. Now we have to type Java C. What is happening? Wait a minute. That is permanent path is there. Yeah. First time when we are writing first time, what to do, guys? Installation same, guys. Installation nothing. Next. I will show you that is also how to install also. First JDK installation it will show. After that JRE installation it will show. Yeah. First what to do? Finish that. Go to command prompt, guys. Go to the directory. Okay, now compile. File name prg1.java. Still we have. Java C compiler, guys, prg1.java. What are the files are there? See, prg1.java. These are text documents or text documents. prg1.java class file. Now if I compile Java compiler, what it will do, guys? Java compiler, it creates a dot class file, a dot class file. This is a dot java file. Dot class file will be created. What is the class name? Based upon class name, class file will be created. And what is the class name, guys? Here you can check it. What is the class name? What is the class name? Sample class. File also created, sample.class file only. Sample class file will be created. Okay, na? Now compile once. Is showing error, no? What is the error it is showing? Javac is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. Okay, na? Clear? Are you following, guys? Yeah. Now compile. Javac is a compiler, prg1.java. Now if I compile, it is showing still what? Javac is not recognized. It is showing what is the meaning of that. I don't know about Java C. Yeah, that's why what to do, guys. Now we have to set the path. Now we have to set the path, guys. How to set the path? We can set the path two ways. What are those two ways, guys? We can set the path two ways, temporary and permanent. How to set the path temporary and how to set the path permanent, right? Path. What is path? Path is a right operating system environment. It searches for .java files. Okay, na? We can set the path two ways, right, guys? We can set the path two ways. One is temporary, second one is permanent path. Yeah, what is temporary path? What is permanent path? Right? Yeah, temporary path means what? If you do in command prompt, now I will do your command prompt, guys. How to do? Set space path equals to that compiler address you have to give. Compiler address. How to give compiler address? Go to computer, C drive, program files, where you install Java, JDK, bin. You can see here Java C. Select this path. Type Java C. Now see it's working. Previously it showed error message. I don't know about Java C. Clear? Huh? Now Java C means it's working. Clear, guys? Now Java C is working. Are you following us? Dot class file also will be created. See one. Yeah. Now we did not compile. Compile this Java C prg1.java. Now compile. It's compiled. Now dot class file is created. You can see this sample dot class file 1022. Now only it is created. Are you following us? prg1. cd new one. Next class teaching. Next CMR teach. Yeah, see this. Java is a compiler brg1.java. Once compile, again it is showing Java C is not recognized. Because if I close that, that will be removed. That path will be removed. That is temporary path, guys. Okay, na? Yeah. First temporary path we write. If we set the path in command prompt, then it is called temporary path. Yeah. If we set the path in command prompt, then temporary path. Yeah. How to set the path? Set space path equals to compiler address. For example, we write like this. Set space path equals to, we have written, this is compiler address, guys. If you leave it also, nothing will happen. Okay. After setting the path, type Java C for confirmation. Okay. After setting the path, type JavaC for confirmation. How to do the permanent path, guys? Now temporary path completed. Permanent path how to do? See this, my computer permanent path. This is properties, advanced, environmental variables. Here user variables are there, system variables are there. User variables and system variables. Right? What are the user variables? What are the system variables? You can here also you can create. Here also you can create. Now I want to create user variables. Press new. Variable name is path. Variable value is what? Same, guys. Variable value is that is only. Write a path. Click OK and OK and OK. That's all. 3 times you have to press OK. Okay. How to go, guys? My computer properties. Advanced system settings. Environmental variables. Click new in user variables. Yeah, we get a variable name and variable path. Variable name and variable value. Variable name is what? Variable value is what? Variable name is what, guys? Path. Variable value is what? Compiler address. Click OK 3 times. We get 3 windows, that's why. This is the permanent path. Yeah, finish the temporary and permanent, guys. Completed guys. Completed temporary path and permanent path. Guys, complete. This is temporary path and permanent path. Completed guys. Write this program also. Once how to execute this, once permanent path completed and now you can go to that directory, cd, new folder, new one, 3D class teaching, cd CMR 2022. Compile this javac prg1.java. New file will be created. Java class name, sample class name you have to write. See this. It is showing what is showing main method not found. Public static void main string argument. Parentheses should be like this. Okay, na? prg1.java. Welcome to Java. Okay, na? Write this program. How to compile? Javac file name. Javac file name means what? prg1.java. How to execute? Java class name. Which class name? Which class name, guys? Class file. Which method? Which class is having a public static void main? Then that class. Java class name. It's a sample. Finish this program. Yeah, finished, huh? Yeah, that's all, guys. Tomorrow we'll continue the session. Okay. Today, once install Java software installation, download from internet. Okay, that is free source only. Okay. JDK 1.7 or 1.8 download. Okay, na? And do path setting, temporary path and permanent path, and once check it. Okay. Now onwards, from tomorrow onwards, Java will start. Okay, Java concepts will start. Okay, na? Thank you, guys. That's all today. Do try, guys, that path setting and everything. Try those concepts. Yeah, thank you.